Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to explain the project. Which is Instagram clone. So guys, we have used React framework to build our Instagram full stack clone, which is a full stack application. So let's move to the video. So guys, first of all, I will explain what we have done in this project. So it is basically we used React and Firebase as a backend to create the Instagram clone. So it is a combination of React for front-end framework and Firebase for backend services. And to create such as authentication and the features are like profile customization and post creation and real-time interaction. So the user can like and unlike and post comments. So it is basically a clone of Instagram. So first we create account. So we can see here. So I have already created some of the dummy accounts. So I will I will first sign up. So so guys, I have created a dummy account. So for sign up using email. So you can also use with Google authentication. And I have here used for to create a new account. I used a dummy account for Sundar Pichai, who is the CEO of Google. So let's sign up. So after clicking signing up, so you can see it is asking you don't have any friends. And next here I have already created some of the dummy accounts and done some stuffs. So you can see here it suggests so like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos. So if I follow here everyone, so I follow here I have also added Mark Zuckerberg. So their post will show here. You can see if you like and dislike, um, um, it will it will show for everyone. So you can see here. And if I follow everyone like Jeff Bezos and Steve Jobs, so their post is also visible to me. You can see here, guys. So that's all about this. So it is a interactive and responsive homepage which is Instagram. So if any user is creating the account, he or she only can access the Instagram. So you can see here the responsive design also. So if I click here, the responsiveness, so you can see. So if I minimize the screen and you can see here for mobile screen sizes, it is like this. So the icons are shorter and sticky. So you can like and dislike the post. And guys, you can also comment also. So you can see if I comment here, like here, so awesome. So if I post here, so the post is visible. So you can see here, you can view all your comments. So I have posted 3 seconds ago. So you can see. And next, there are in profile section, you can also add picture of profile picture. So I quickly arrange some of the profile pictures. So guys, if I add here profile picture, so click on edit and then you can see the profile picture is also added and you can also type bio. So you can see you can add your bio also. So mm, like this. So you can also insert emojis also. The username with the help of username you can search for users. So if I click on submit, it will show update the profile. So if I have to create some of the post, so I can create it too also. So if I click on create and write some captions like Google, so it is on trending. So Google is used everyone and anywhere. So I have took the Google image and click on post. So it will post the post. So the image with caption. So you can see. And if I log out here and signing with Elon Musk, so it is just a dummy account, guys. So fake accounts. So you no need to worry about this. So if I follow Sundar Pichai, so you can see if I like this post, so you can comment wow. So I can post also. So you can view also your comments and every user can add post and search for user like mm, so I search for Sundar Pichai. You can see you can follow and unfollow from here. So click on this so you can see his post and description. So you can see bio. So guys, you can see here the post and here the comments. So how people are commenting and from here you can also delete the post. So it asks. So you want to delete the post. If I click on OK, it will delete the post from the database. So I one thing I should show here. So Firebase backend I will show up here in some few minutes. So you can see here, guys. So this basically the clone. So if the user log out here, so it will push back to authentication page. You can see it is a auth page. And next, if I log in with other users, so if I log with Steve Jobs, so if I log in, you can see you can see his account and you can see how many posts. So that's all about this futures. And next, if I follow him Sundar Pichai, so you can see also this suggested followers. So it will suggest followers. So if I comment also, it will post. So you can see Elon Musk also commented 2 minutes ago, and Steve Jobs also now commented. And next, we discuss about the backend. So I will show you the Firebase backend. So guys, this is the Firebase backend. So it is authentication credentials are present here. So which user is present. So I have authenticated through Google. So you can see. And next, it is a database. So of Firebase. So you can see the collection of posts. So how many posts have been put here. So you can see and likes also there. And next, it is the collection of users. So their description, email, and created at time and full name and so on. And next, you can see here the storage. So you can see the images are stored here. So the post images, you can see the images are stored in the Firebase database. So it is a free plan. So some credits are there in Firebase and the profile pics also you can see is there in the database of Firebase. So it is fetched from there. So that's all about this project explanation, guys. So you can see here. So it is refreshing. So if I log out here, it is pushed to authentication page. So this page is also responsive. You can see in mobile screen sizes, it is like this. So you can see, and it is fully responsiveness. So with the help of React framework, which is a front-end framework. So if you need to explore this project in your own, so you can go to this link. So I will give in description of this video. You can go and check it out. So if you need any suggestions or need to improve the project, so if user needs to add any machine learning algorithm like this, so if implement a reel, so if anyone needs to if anyone needs post their reels and create some exciting things, so we can also implement here. So it is under some of the development, guys. So you can search the users randomly and many things you can do it with this. So you can save also post and see the likes. So how many users likes your photo, and many things can be done with using machine learning and other algorithms. So in future we can implement this to create a enhanced UI and scalable app, so Instagram app. So if you have any suggestions, comment us, guys. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.